Hi first grade friends, today we're going to start our OG lesson with our letter cards. So you're going to say the name of the letter, the keyword, and the sound. So U, up, Z, zebra, Z, QU, queen, Qu, Y, yo-yo, Y, K, kite, K, F, fish, F, M, man, M, L, lamp, L, C, cat, K, J, jam, J, B, boy, B, W, wagon, W, G, goat, G, O, ox, A, D, dog, D, T, top, T, P, pig, P, X, box, X, H, hat, R, rat, R, I, itch, I, S, snake, S, N, nest, N, E, edge, E, V, van, V, A, apple, TH, thumb, WH, whistle, W, CH, chair, Ch, SH, ship, Sh. And then earlier, not too long ago, we went through this sound, which this sound is am. AM says am. So let's review some of those words. So I have on here am, am. So read them with me. Am, jam, ham, yam, and ram. Let's do those again. This time we're going to go across. Am, yam, jam, ram, ham. So all those words have am. AM says am. What does AM say? Am. That's right. Now we're going to move to a new word, a new rhyme card. And my new one today is at. AT says at. What does AT say? At. So let's write at 3 times in the sky. Sky write. A-T at. A-T at. A-T at. So you should have done that with me. So let's review. What's the name of the new card? A-T. What does A-T say? At. So I am going to write at on my board. So say it with me. A-T at. A-T at. A-T at. So this time I'm going to put a B. So now I have bat. Next, I'm going to put a C. K, cat. And my last one, I'm going to write an F for fat. Let's go over here. Let me do A-T at, A-T at, A-T at. So M makes the word mat. P makes the word pat. And S makes the word sat. So read the words with me. Bat, mat, cat, pat, fat, sat. This time as you read them, I want you to read them in a whisper voice. Bat, mat, cat, pat, fat, sat. And let's read them one more time in a real fancy voice. Bat, mat, cat, pat, fat, and sat. That was our fancy voice that we just read in. So remember that our new pattern today is AT says at. What does AT say? At. Very good. So now we need to work on our SRS paper. So first we have to get it set up. So you'll take your paper, any paper that you have around the house. It could be copy paper, notebook paper, whatever you might have. Construction paper. Go ahead and grab that paper, and then you're going to fold it to have 4 boxes. So first, once you have your paper, you're going to fold it in half. You're going to crease it or pinch it. Next, you'll fold it again in half. And crease it and pinch it. Then when you open up your when you open up your paper, you're going to have 4 rectangles. So then with your 4 rectangles, you can draw lines to separate those rectangles. You don't have to, but you can. And then you want to draw a rectangle, a circle, a square, and a triangle. I'm going to hold the paper up so that you can copy this. You might want to pause the video because I'm going to start in a few seconds on what we're going to do on this paper. So hopefully your paper is all ready. If it's not, go ahead and pause and get it ready. So the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to say a letter, and I want you to write that letter in this rectangle box. So the first letter is Y. So as you write the letter Y, I want you to say it. Y. The next one is F. F. G. G. R. R. So in the rectangle, you should have written Y, F, G, R. Now go to the circle. This time I will say a sound. You're going to write the letter or letters that make that sound. So in the circle, I want you to write the letter that says T. And as you write it, I want you to say T. R, like rat. R. So as you write it, say R. Ah. Ah. Write the letter that says ah. And the last one for the circle box is B. Write the letter that says B. Now, down in the square, we're going to talk about our new sound, our new letter sounds, our new word card. And it's at says, or AT says at. So that's what I want you to write right down here is AT. And as you write it, I want you to say AT says at. You just have to write it one time. AT says at. So that will help you write 2 words over in my triangle. First word I need you to write is hat. At. Hat. And after that, I need for you to write cat. Cat. So in this triangle, in the triangle, you should have hat and cat because both of those have the rhyme at. Now what you'll do is when the video stops or you stop the video, you're going to go back to Flipgrid and it says make a recording and you're going to record yourself holding your paper and you could say something like this is my work. And you're going to record that and then it will ask you to take a selfie picture of yourself. And don't forget to keep hitting that green button and then you'll come to a button that has an paper airplane on it where you'll tap that and it'll send it to me and then you'll see some fireworks and you know that you've sent it once you get to those fireworks. Good luck.